Hello friends, today I am here to teach you the structure of an atom. What? Structure of an atom. How the electrons, protons and neutrons are distinguished and how the electrons revolve around the nucleus in particular fixed shell or orbit. So let's start. First of all, we have a nucleus. We have a nucleus in between. What? A nucleus. Outside there are the shells. First shell, second shell, third shell. So we will talk about the shells or orbit or energy level. How the electrons revolve around the nucleus in this particular orbit. So let's start. In the nucleus, this is nucleus. What? This is nucleus. First one is we will take from the inner side. This one is called K shell. K shell or N is equal to 1. Second, this is called L shell. Means N is equal to 2. Third one is M shell. That is N is equal to 3. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in this fixed orbit. This was told by a scientist whose name was Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr. What is the name? Niels Bohr. He have told us that these electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed orbit with fixed energy levels. Suppose he have given a first formula, that is 2n square. This is the formula 2n square. According to this formula, we can answer that how many electrons, a number of electrons can be accommodated in each shell. Suppose if n is equal to 1, we are talking about the first shell. So the number of electrons in this shell, means in K shell will be 2, 1 ka square will be 2. Alright, after that we will calculate about the second shell, means L shell, means we will take n2. So if n is equal to 2, then how many electrons will the n is equal to 2, means the K shell can accommodate number of electrons. It will be 2 square means 8. Means in K shell we can have the maximum electrons 2. In L shell we can have the maximum electrons 8. After that we will talk about the next shell, M shell. Suppose if n is equal to 3, then number of electrons it can accommodate is equal to 2. 3 to the power 2 is equal to 18. Means in M shell there will be maximum 18 electrons can be accommodated. Alright, after that we will talk about the discoveries of electron, proton and neutron. Electrons were discovered by who? J.J. Thomson. Electron were discovered by J.J. Thomson. Second is proton. By whom the proton is discovered? Who was he? He was Rutherford. His name was Rutherford. Means proton was discovered by Rutherford, a great scientist. After that, I will talk about the last one, that is electron, which revolve around the nucleus in a fixed orbit. I will talk about the neutrons. Neutrons who? Chadwick. Who have discovered? Chadwick have discovered the neutrons. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson. Proton was discovered by Rutherford, and the neutron was discovered by Chadwick. Okay, so thank you very much.